Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights of hygiene: the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 and the H2O MOP X5. Let's see which one can tackle the toughest cleaning jobs. First, let's compare the price. The BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is priced at $175, while the H2O MOP X5 is slightly more affordable at $169. Reviewers appreciate the H2O MOP for its value, calling it a steal for its features, while some BISSELL users feel the effectiveness justifies the higher price tag. In terms of functionality, the BISSELL is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaner that can transform into a handheld steamer, while the H2O MOP X5 claims to be a 5-in-1 system. Users of the H2O MOP rave about its ability to clean various surfaces, but some BISSELL users note that the BISSELL's multiple attachments make it particularly handy for tough jobs, even if it's a bit heavier. When it comes to steam power, the BISSELL promises high-temperature steam with variable modes for a customized cleaning. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on tough stains and grime, particularly praising its power for deep cleaning projects. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power and is recognized for making cleaning easier, especially for older users. However, some reviews mention concerns about its construction. Both products are eco-friendly, boasting chemical-free cleaning. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs, which has been well received by users looking for a safe cleaning solution. Similarly, the H2O MOP X5 also emphasizes its filterless and chemical-free approach, making it an appealing option for those with allergies. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use with both products when it comes to environmental friendliness, though some express concerns about durability in the H2O MOP. Accessories can make or break a cleaning tool. The BISSELL comes with a whopping 29 accessories, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, although some users mentioned that the durability of these tools could be improved. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 includes a range of attachments that users find versatile, though some reviews suggest that the construction feels a bit cheap and might not hold up well over time. Overall, reviews suggest that the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it a solid investment for tough cleaning jobs. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is appreciated for its ease of use and eco-friendliness, although some concerns about its durability were noted. Which steam mop do you prefer? If you're leaning towards versatility and powerful cleaning, the BISSELL may be your choice. On the other hand, if you want a lightweight and easy-to-use option, the H2O MOP X5 could be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about your favorite product and why. Product links are in the description.